Way for Rhode Islanders are having trouble with their medical bills.
Today, General Treasurer James Diossa announced a new medical debt relief program. Jake Holter joins us live in studio with how the program works. Jake?
Yeah, Shannon and Mike, medical debt is the leading cause of bankruptcies in the U.S. And with this new program, Rhode Island joins nearly 20 other states, counties, and municipalities across the U.S. in providing residents some form of medical debt relief.
No one chooses to go into medical debt. If you or a loved one is sick or injured, you seek care, period.
Rhode Island General Treasurer James Diossa announcing a medical debt relief program in partnership with a nonprofit that buys medical debt from healthcare providers. The General Assembly including $1 million in the budget for this program. To date, the nonprofit Undo Medical Debt has abolished nearly $15 billion in medical debt nationwide. Advocate Troy Peck knows what it's like to worry about medical debt.
When my daughter was first diagnosed, we were facing an unknown volume of debt. It turns out that Aspen's total cost of care was over $1 million.
And while his daughter ended up qualifying for a Medicaid waiver, he believes that Rhode Islanders having the ability to have their medical debt forgiven is a game changer for their health.
It's one thing to make it for your kid because you'll do whatever, but when it comes to your own health, you're like, well, how much is it? Do I really need to do that? And 9 times out of 10, whatever they're telling you, yeah, you do need to do it.
Rhode Islanders are eligible for relief if their medical debt equals 5% or more of their estimated annual income, or if their estimated annual income is at or below 400% of the federal poverty line. The treatments must also have been deemed medically necessary. And there is no limit to how much debt can be forgiven so long as it meets those terms. You can find more information by visiting our website, WPRI.com. For now, live in studio, Jake Holter, 12 News.